Hi everyone, today we'll discuss Scott McLeod. He has given three shifts. When I was searching on the internet, I found one more shift. That's very nice. So let's go with that shift number one. Shift number one, what it says, the teacher has to need to go from low level thinking to high level thinking. Student from low level thinking to high level thinking. What is low level thinking? Calculating, solving problem, drawing graphs, summarizing, recalling definitions, and basic facts and figures, learning concept and skills. That means solving the problem, how to solve the problems, what is given, what is required, all these things. Drawing graphs, summarizing it. What you have done, summarize, write in your own words. This all comes under low level thinking. We have to, as a teacher, we have to move from low level thinking to high level thinking. From low level thinking, we have to move to the high level thinking. What is high level thinking? Strategic thinking. What is strategic thinking? One problem can be solved by different method. For example, uh, the problem is there a quadratic equation. It can be solved by one equation. Quadratic equation can be solved by four method, 3 to 4 method. Then they will solve by that method. That, for example, mm, is perfect square method, formula method, factorization method. With that they are solving, and whatever the answer is there, they are drawing conclusion that whatever the method is there, but we will get the same answer. If we are getting the same answer, that means whatever the method we are doing correctly. Then it can be extended thinking. The things can be extended. Whatever they have learned, they can apply to the other subjects. Interdisciplinary within the subject. Suppose the roots are there in the logarithmic form. First he have to calculate the root, then he has to form the equation, or he has to find the nature of the roots, whatever he has to do. And from within the subject or with the another subject also, he can, the student has to do. That is called high level thinking. This is the first part. The second one is, that's it. For the second one is analog to digital. From analog to digital. What is analog? Here he means this second shift. He means analog means the teacher is doing the classwork. What we are doing in the class, pen and pencil, book and worksheet, test book, solving problem from the test book. It should not be like that only. It should be digital. Digital means we should use technology, and whatever the softwares are there in your organization which we are providing. In when I was working in USA, we have Pearson was there. With that we used to make the worksheets, all the other thing, that software. And here when I came to UAE, and they have Alif platform. Alif is also very good platform. There they can learn in a differentiated way the use of the technology, and there are so many platforms are there on the net. So that thing. Next, the third shift the teacher has to make, the school has to make, is from teacher directed to student directed. Teacher directed to student directed. That means teacher has to do. Here I am not saying teacher should not do anything. Here teacher has to do, but teacher has to minimize. One time I was teaching in the class, my principal, Miss New, she came to my class and she was sitting in my class. She observed class for 45 minutes. I was just new, for 1 week, around 1 week was there. She said, after that she said, Mr. Sharif, what you are doing in the class? I said, I am teaching, you have observed my class. No, that is not the teaching. 15 to 20 minutes only, 10 to 15 only minutes you have to teach. Remaining words the student has to do. That means teacher directed to student directed. If it is goes to the student directed way, then it will be active learning. They will be learning. They are passing. It can be a cooperative learning, or it can be a project based learning, or you can give group activity, or you can give hands on activity, all the things. it should be, your class should be student directed or student centered, not teacher centered. He said, she said, you got your degree, mister. They have to get their degree. Make them learn, make them try. Don't give every time the answers. Let them try. Then only if they are not able to give suggestion and hit, don't give direct answers. Don't give the notes. So that's why from teacher directed to student director, because they need to learn. You got your degrees, all the things you have. And another person on the net, he has added this thing, the fourth one, fourth shift. Shift number 4, isolation to collaboration. I like very much this thing. See, this isolation to collaboration, because here isolation means teacher is making the lesson plan, unit plan, and reflecting on how did I do it, did I do right or not. Just only limited resources, limited thinking, this thing. Suppose if we go for collaboration, collaboration means grow and create and reflect with other people. That means you have to be the member of PLC, Professional Learning Community, Professional Learning Networks, other thing. There you have. You have to be the member of that. That means what? That means what? What will happen if you are with the professional learning community? You are the member for that. Then you will come to know what other teachers are doing, what I am doing, what I am not doing, what other teachers are doing. Or then they will share their, it will be best practices, they can share the best practices. You may be using the tool which will be helpful for you. You will get your teaching materials, and you may get your ideas, some different ideas, the different way to approach the same concept. So many resources we can get if you are the member of the PLC or PNP, any other professional learning community, and any other thing, if you go, you will be this thing. So we all have to be collaboration, doing collaboration. We are not alone. We have to be in the world. We are in the world. We are not in isolation. We are not in the island. Other teachers work. We have to share each other to grow and to be an expert teacher. Okay, these are the 4 shift I want to discuss. I have discussed. This is high level thinking, and DOK, always DOK 3 and 4 you have to focus on that. DOK 1 and 2 naturally we are doing. Nobody has to focus on that. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends.